Hello, this is the Kubernetes SIG Cluster Lifecycle meeting for Cluster API provider AWS for the 10th of August 2020. Please be aware that we're operating under the CNCF Code of Conduct, so please be cool to everyone. We are using the raise hand feature in Zoom, so if you want to make a point, raise your hand and I will pick on you to speak. So first of all, do we have any PSAs that people want to make people aware of? Nope. Okay. Actually, I do have one. So when we get the meeting notes back, we had a planning meeting last week on last Thursday, and I will drop a link to the so our priorities for the next 2 months. So we sort of decided the things that we're going to work on up until the end of September, and that's mainly going to be support for EKS and auto scaling groups via the machine pools API, and performance improvements so we can handle better scaling, and also potentially using CloudWatch Event Bridge for getting immediate instance notifications, and completing the work that we started on multi-tenancy. So I've just dropped the link to a spreadsheet where if you click on that, everything in red is what we've decided that we're going to tackle in the next 2 months. With that, the group discussions, is there anything that people want to talk about right now? Okay, and should be nice and short. We'll finish up with a bit of issue triage. So I'll just share my screen. Okay. Looks like we don't have. Oh no, hold on. Yep, so moving to CNCF owned AWS account for project owned AMI. So for those that don't know, we are currently still publishing AMIs through an ancient Heptio owned AWS account, which means that it's not really open for people who are not VMware to publish AMIs. So we're starting some work to move that to CNCF account. So we made a request for budget to do that. So that's work in progress. So it's just going to roll forward. So it's not anything we need to put on a milestone. Yep. So there's some work ongoing around doing EKS that is going to. So this is around EKS. I don't think that work is sort of ongoing. Custom service endpoint configuration. I think there is a PR related to this. Can anyone speak to that? I think this is more or less just adding this. If you're using GovCloud, I think there's 2 different endpoints, and one of which is FIPS enabled, and the other one isn't. So you need to be able to specify that endpoint if you're in that particular environment. There's open PR, probably just need some review. Do that, and we've got some more EKS related bits coming in. So I think that's pretty much all of the issues that are coming in. I don't think there's anything else that's new. Okay. Just give. Is there anything else that anyone would like to discuss? And if not, we'll just close the meeting. It's nice, short and sharp. Okay, cool. All right. Thanks, everyone. See you in 2 weeks.